Three different ways to access reports. The first way is by going to your reports menu up here and choosing the option to run report. You also have the ability in open, so click on open there. In the lower left-hand corner, you have a report section. Gives you access to the same thing, just another way to get there. And then finally, the last way to open up a report, you can do that in the grid. So why don't we open up a grid of students, please? And hit OK. So all three ways that I've shown you how to access reports, the reports menu up top, the open menu, and by right-clicking, gives you access to the same reports. It's just a preferential thing. Which way do you like accessing reports? And again, that's a trend with us. We give you multiple ways to do something. Whatever you like to do is fine. In this instance, I'm going to have us go to Open and Reports and Trips. Open, Reports, and Trips. The Report Maintenance button down at the bottom gives you access to the hundreds upon hundreds of reports that we've made available to all of our clients. Now, some of them are very specific. There could be a school out in Washington State that needed a letter to inform parents of a specific thing going on with one bus, and they did a custom report request for us, and we thought maybe somebody else could use that. So there could be reports in here that you'll never use in your lifetime. But there could also be reports here that you've never seen that could be beneficial or something you've never thought of before. The only way to find out is by clicking on the Report Maintenance button. You have plus signs next to all of these categories. And if you have a check mark next to the folder, that means all of the reports in that respective category have been loaded in your library. Now, we have alternate site, contractor, and district showing up here. These don't have many reports. If you expand the plus signs here, you'll see 3, 3, and 4. It's okay that we added all of those in. But go down to the trip folder and hit the plus sign. Can you see a reason why maybe we don't want to load that whole folder in there? There's about 75 different reports in here and different trip sheets that you can generate. Now, I know I talked to all of you, and there was only one latitude longitude nerd in the whole group. So I know 7 of you will never use the stop list by X and Y coordinates. At the bottom here, you can see that we have an option to select all. Again, be mindful of choosing that because that can be a lot of information there. You can clear all as well if you want to start fresh. You also have the ability to search for reports. So if you wanted to search for a specific piece of information, as an example, let's hit the search button and let's type in disability. And as long as we spell it right and hit search, you should come up with 17 different reports that list out disability code information.
It's time to unleash the power of Route Finder Pro. Empower yourself and your team. Click below and find out when Transfinder University will be at a city near you.